We have a diamond breakout
stay on 460
right now. Here we go. Look.
Look at that.
Look, it's breaking out higher, isn't it? See it?
Yeah.
539.50s are going. They're printing on the ask. Look at that. They got so Google's in positive territory by 16 pennies. Now, what we need to continue to see is that the breakout bars, just like the Apple trade, is that you have big green ones like you do the red ones like this. And what you need is that two teeny breakout, and you need to really break higher above these tops like we're doing live. But that thing's got to really just keep on ripping down. It's not. They're sliding that bid a little bit. And not only that, that's how they do it in volatility. But look, you're at 36. You got to get north of 45 to get through that teeny diamond. And you'll hold it. See how it ticks up? Watch it. If you can get positive, this is negative 0.2 right now, everyone. And this is here, and it's live. Now listen. If this goes toward 10 negative, well, then it's going to be a short down. However, if it goes toward the positive territory, just the opposite way, like it printed 1, you can see how you just went up in price. See that? And see that. See how you kind of popped up? Now, if this goes to 0.1 positive, of course you're going to go through there on that diamond pop. And that's how you make the decision. And you're at 35 and holding Fahrenheit.
We're on the bid.
We're on the bid to do what?
460 order.
All right. Well, how many are totally there now? All right. I'm not getting a volume count. I'm getting a slide to bid below 35. That doesn't
Cancel.
give me. What is the volume count?
Volume count on the option is 1,210.
Plain, what is the volume?
He's on the bid by himself right now.
Well, then cancel it.
Cancel.
They keep following and coming in.
Buddy, you're not breaking higher. You're below 35 on the IR. Here is what happens is that when we went toward the minus 10 number here, so let's get this in here now. Google, you can see it right here. It went toward minus 10. It was almost going to go to 0.00 neutral, but it didn't. And as it slid back in this direction, you can see the decline. Here, you went down exactly one, almost two teeny lines right here at 69 cents a line. Right here. So that's exactly where we're at in a cycle during the consolidation period that we're teaching new MMTs about, is why this area is so important here and what you have to have. And we showed it on the Apple chart because we did. Here's that Apple chart. We said that Google would have to have the same breakout bar. This is your confirm, pulling back to the half bar like Apple is right now during that cycle. And it's lunchtime, but once again, it's how the price action is getting weighted at this time of day at 9:07 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9/28/2011. This is just a recap of that Apple breakout. Okay? Yes, we did go higher, but we didn't have any follow through. And once again, equities do make their highs, but then they're pulling back, and it's how they set up and break out. No follow through from the breakout. Unlike Google, well, it's right back in here, and this is a major area in here at this lower price action that it has to hold. And what we're going to do is over here, here is a 430 by 450 bid and ask on a 540 call. The low is 404. That's the same ones we sold up here, and the highs of $7.70. $20 off the high. Had to. It wasn't going to give us any more than that in the price action. But now we're still trying to continue based on the trend here, and what this 3-minute chart does is where these are going to go. And right now we're breaking down right here. Here, we're coming right back in here with a major, this is a major area of this low here. That's, we can come all the way back down and test them, or we can hold at the higher level here, the higher teeny level in the price here. If we do, we need an immediate turn, and it has to be with big green bars to confirm them. Right now I'm going to update the Google trade again as far as going into the lunch hour, and we're in a very, very major price action area that either this right here has to go back above 35 to 55 and higher. That's not going the right way. You're minus 14 now, okay? When we first were looking at it, it was this high right here. This was only minus at the time. It was only minus 0.1. And it's fallen to 0.14, and that's why the 3, the 6, the 9, that's why the diamonds are printing lower in prices and coming back in this major price area. And it's very important to get weighted in the price action during this time frame within the overall buy and sell transactions.